Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I made this amazing banana cream pie and I want to show you step by step how to do it. I will start with the base and I have 320 grams of flour, 200 grams of cold butter, I have 50 grams of sugar, a pinch of salt, and I will add around 4 or 5 tablespoons of vodka and 1 egg. So this is all. If you don't want to use vodka, you can use cold water. So I will mix flour with sugar, salt, using this scraper, and after that I will incorporate butter. I cut the butter in smaller cubes. It will be easier to combine with flour, and I am trying not to use my hands because I have really warm hands and I don't want to melt this butter, so I'll continue to cut the butter into the flour with this scraper. So do this until the butter will be cut in really small pieces and your mixture will look like sand almost. I will start adding vodka, 1 tablespoon at a time, in total around 4 or 5 tablespoons, and also I will add 1 egg to help this dough come together. And I'll mix the egg with the rest of the ingredients, and I will start using my hands to bring all this dough together. Try not to knead it too much, just squeeze the ingredients until the dough comes together in just one piece. You can either put the dough in the fridge to chill for a few minutes. I never do this. I will show you right away. I start shaping the dough in the baking dish. I'm using this aluminum tin, and I put some plastic wrap on top of the dough and I press it with my fingers, shape it in this pie dish. With my fingers also I make a cute designs on the edge, but you can use a fork if you like. And I'm gonna put now this crust in the fridge for about 10 to 20 minutes or until I'm gonna be ready with the filling. And speaking of filling, I have 100 grams of sugar, 3 egg yolks, 3 tablespoons of flour, or you can use cornstarch, it's up to you, 50 grams of butter, and 2 cups of milk or 500 grams. I will add a pinch of salt to bring out the sweetness of the custard and vanilla extract, and also some bananas. In the pot I'm gonna put the egg yolks. I'm gonna mix them up a bit with the sugar. I will add also flour. I didn't have cornstarch. If you have cornstarch, you can use. The cream will be smoother and creamier, but I didn't have, so I just used flour. So combine these egg yolks with sugar and flour. Add a pinch of salt. It will give a better taste. And pour milk and start combining. Mix the ingredients really well. This way you will not end up with any clumps in the filling. And after you incorporate all the milk, I will put the pot on the stove, simmer it on low temperature, whisk it continually until it's gonna thicken up. Please do not forget about it because it will burn and it will not taste good. After you took it out of the stove, just add butter and vanilla extract and mix it all together and let it cool down for a few minutes. And in the meantime, you can just cut the bananas in slices like this. I used about 3 bananas to fill up that dish, and I took it out from the fridge. The crust, unbaked crust, is just really chilled now, and fill it up with banana slices, and also pour in the cream that we made, the custard. And I'm gonna bake this in the oven preheated at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. After cool down, you can slice it and serve it either with whipped cream, either with ice cream. It's up to you. I let this on your at your decision. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you here next time with another recipe. Until then, find reasons to smile. Thank you. Bye bye.